Bonjour, we have previously seen the sales and marketing strategic plan, but here it is a question of knowing all the expenses to execute this strategic plan. Here is a non-exhaustive list of expenses for a sales and marketing department. Wages, trade show, I will do a chapter dedicated to trade show very soon, public relation, travel expenses, complementary service and gift, entertainment, travel agencies, commission, photograph, marketing event, fam trip, etc. In general, sales and marketing expenses represent between 5 to 10% of total revenue. In the next video, we will see POMEX expenses.